magluluto ako ng pansit. Gusto ko madali ang luto, medyo frozen pa tong mga to. Ito hindi na. So, ito ay minarinate ko muna yan ng patis, pepper, tapos ay nilagay ko na dito sa pan, nilagyan ko muna ng konting water. Gisa ng konti, tapos sinama ko tong chicken liver. Tatanggalin ko rin naman yung chicken liver. Minsan, inaano ko to, binuboil ko muna. Hindi ko ginigisa. Pero, try ko na. Kasi nga, tinamad na naman ako pa-isa-isang luto. Sabay-sabay na. Pansit, nilagay ko na yung bawang. May oil din to, water, then oil. Tapos, natuyo na yung water. Yan, ginigisa na siya sa oil. Tapos, lagay na natin to. Sibuyas at celery. Gisa-gisa lang. Diba? Ganyan din kalalabasan ng promise. Ito gagamitin kong noodles. Shanghai noodles. Nugasan ko lang yan. Ano na siya? Parang fresh noodles. Actually, hindi siya parang. Fresh noodles to eh. Kaya hindi siya kailangan matagal lulutuin. I added water. Then, season to taste. Whatever seasoning you want. You can put chicken cubes. You can put magic syrup. Salt. Fish sauce. Pepper. You can also use oyster sauce because this is Asian cooking. But I don't have oyster sauce now. So, yeah. I will add this later. This is the Shanghai noodles. Lutuin ko muna tong hindi pa luto kasi yung liver. Tsaka yung chicken hindi pa masyadong luto. Lagyan ko yan ng cabbage later. Nilagay ko na tong cabbage. I'll cook this first before I add the fresh noodles. Itong ganitong repolyo minsan matagal kasi maluto. So, inuna ko na. Lagyan ko ng toyo. I think I'll add soy sauce here. The dark soy sauce. Ayan, naglagay na ang dark soy sauce. This is the one that I usually use. The premium dark soy sauce. No added flavor because some of the dark soy sauce has like mushroom flavor. I don't know the other flavors, but I've seen the mushroom ones. So this is the one that I want to use. The regular premium dark soy sauce of Likumki. Yan, nilagay ko na yung noodles. It's up to you if you want to remove the chicken liver first. Kasi baka maduro. Pero okay na yan. Ingatan nyo lang sa pag-mix. Mix carefully, okay? And this is almost done. I'll just taste it again. And then I can, because the noodles is fresh, so there's no need for it to cook a long time. I added just 1 egg. You can add egg or no egg. This is also supposed to be lomi if you add more broth, but I just want it like this. I have 1 egg just to thicken the broth, and then you can add toasted garlic and green onions, chopped green onions on top. Mix this. Mix in the broth. That's it. So, it's May 16 here in Calgary. Ayan o. Lumakas na rin yung patak ng snow. It's almost 12 noon. Ganyan din naman ang spring paminsan-minsan dito sa Canada or sabihin mo sa Alberta. Pero may mga areas na mas malalakas ang snow, like ang Banff. Talagang mas snow doon. Tas long weekend ngayon, di ka naman makalabas, kaya ayan, dito ka lang kumukuha. Ayan, naiipon na sa lapag. Kasi kanina hindi, wet snow lang kanina, so hindi siya naiipon, tsaka konti lang. So ngayon ay meron na. Nakapagluto na ako ng aming lunch. Inaantay ko lang si husband. Masakit ang kanyang mga tuhod, pero kasi naka-duty talaga na siya, naka-schedule na yun, may pinalitan siyang manager sa Starbucks. Oh, grabe, lakas mo. Tsaka malamig, feels like -3 kanina. Ito yung niluto ko na longganisa, sweet longganisa. Ito yung Seawind brand. Iinitin ko na lang ito mamaya. May ano pa nga, may heat pa. Nakapagsaing na si Inday, di ba? Kasi para pagdating ni husband, kakain na lang. Ayan. So, kahit masakit yung tuhod ng asawa ko, kasi kailangan palang kumuha ng gamot. Kaya, sinamahan ko na siya. Medyo minto na yan, snow. Wet snow ulit. Kanina malakas eh. No, biglang lumakas.
Tsaka lalaki.
Oh, yung lalaki ng patak. Namuti nga agad doon. Doon sa park.
Yeah, wet snow pa rin yun. Kaya lang ang lalaki.
Hindi yung sa park, sa park, namuti agad eh.
Ice na.
Yun.
Slushy.
Malat-malat. May mga allergies kami. May mga sakit kami sa tuhod. Name it, we have it. Sabi nga. O siya. See you later.
I want to say so much before. That's my book, first project, yeah. And it's I checked, like I got the product manual. It does have that charge.
Oh, start that.
Did you say for the 8 weeks is 150 something?
Sorry,
Yeah.
for which 8?
The 8
The 8
weeks?
weeks, it'll be 150.
I did.
The first cycle, like the first 4 weeks, it'll be 81.90. And then the next cycle, it'll be 70 to 44.
Okay. Is that the 75%? Okay.
So added all
Is that the tax
together.
included?
Yeah, tax included and then fees included. It will be 154.34
Yeah,
overall for the
and-
8 weeks.
Yeah, and this one.
With that one, it'll be 174.
No, I'm in the process of it.
Okay.
So what is in here?
Yeah.
Perfect. Is your alternate, is it Aries?
Yep, that's me.
Same last name? This one's gonna be right here. It's 2068. So once you take the elevator,
Yes.
you turn left and then just go right there.
Oh, okay. That's good. Yeah, before I have so much storage.
Oh.
What I have.
Actually,
We were lost before. So, nandito nga kami sa Sentinel Storage. Nag-rent kami ng space para sa iba naming gamit. For 4 weeks, 8 weeks lang naman yon. Kasi may gagawin kami. Hindi na ako sumama sa loob kasi papakita, sakit-sakit ng tuhod ko. Si husband masakit din tuhod niya, pero mas grabe sakit ng tuhod ko. Hirapan ako lumakad. Yun. Okay, so still wet snow outside at malamig. Ito lang ang jacket ko kasi nga tinago na yung isang winter jacket ko, yung medyo manipis. Ito kasi yung natira kasi doon makapal na. OA naman yun dahil di naman ganun kalamig. Yun. See you later ulit. Ito yung ibang storage sa labas kasi malalaki yata to. Maganda sana yung ganyan para hindi ka na sa loob. Kaya lang sa amin, maliit lang kasi. 5 by 5 yata yung kinuha namin. So, doon kami sa taas, sa second floor. May elevator naman, syempre. Doon ang daan namin, may pababayan eh. Pumunta na doon si husband at tinignan yung kinuha namin na storage. Ayun, maganda yun, oh.